Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable state tax filing checklist using TaxAct, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable the state tax filing checklist using TaxAct, first, open your web browser and navigate to the TaxAct website. Log into your TaxAct account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, select the tax year for which you need to prepare your state tax return. On the main dashboard, locate the State section within the navigation menu. Click on the Start State Return or Continue State Return button, depending on your progress. As you proceed, TaxAct will guide you through a series of questions. Answer all questions accurately to ensure your tax return information is complete. After completing the federal tax section, TaxAct will prompt you to move on to the state tax section. Check for any alerts or notifications regarding state tax filing requirements. Once in the state section, look for the tax filing checklist option on the left sidebar. Click on the checklist link to activate it. Review the checklist thoroughly to ensure you have all necessary documents and information ready. You might find sections for income, deductions, and credits that are specific to your state. Make sure to go through each item on the checklist, marking them off as you confirm they are complete. If you are missing any documents or information, TaxAct will provide guidance on what to gather. Once you have checked off all items, you can proceed to file your state return. Before final submission, review your entries for accuracy. After verifying everything is correct, finalize and submit your state tax return. You will receive a confirmation once your filing is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.